We all know the government is constantly striving to keep the Indian banking sector safe and secure. This is why Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has called a special meeting of state-run lenders later this week to discuss global concerns over the banking system's vulnerability due to monetary tightening. The minister is seeking the bank's views on whether any policy intervention is required. To be sure, experts have ruled out any possible spillover effect on domestic banks given their strong balance sheets. But the government wants to make sure and take preemptive steps if needed. This is why it has asked all the state-run banks in the country to draw up a strategic roadmap for 3 years starting from FY24. The RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das has also said that Indian banking system continues to be stable and resilient. The news of collapse of 2 regional banks in the US Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, and the forced merger of Credit Suisse Group AG with rival UBS Group AG created some panic in global banking sector. To remind everyone, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is keeping a close watch on banks with its off-site supervision being more intense and frequent. It's comforting to know our public sector banks are doing well. The gross non-performing assets of all scheduled commercial banks dropped to 5.8% of gross advances at the end of March 2022 from 11.2% of March 2018. In addition to this, all public sector banks are profitable with their aggregate profits rising to 70,167 crore in the first 9 months of the current financial year. And the capital adequacy ratio of these banks improved significantly to 14.5% in December 2022 from 11.5% in March 2015. So, all in all, it's a reassuring sign that the Indian banking sector is safe and continues to remain that way. But it's joy to know that the government is vigilant and will continue to keep a hawk's eye on all the state-run banks in the country to ensure the safety of funds of Indian citizens and fortify the banking sector. We'd like to thank you for tuning into this video. We hope you have got an understanding of what's going on in the banking sector and why it is important for us to be aware of such global and local developments. Until next time, stay safe and we'll chat soon.